While everyone is excited about the launch of DJI's latest Osmo 360, someone just leaked the DJI Mini 5 Pro's official box image, confirming the key features and upgrades. The image of the box seems more like a printing mismatch, and perhaps one of the employees took the opportunity and decided to share it with the world. The Mini 4 Pro did not see much of an upgrade compared to its predecessor, which disappointed many fans. However, that won't be the case with the Mini 5 Pro. At least that is what the specs suggest. From a 1-inch larger sensor to extended flight time, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping out to be the ultimate drone in the sub-249-gram segment. So, let's find out more about the rest of the upgrades and see if they can really meet everyone's expectations. So, the image was shared by Jasper Ellens via X. Unfortunately, he also confirmed that the launch date of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has been postponed. That is due to DJI supposedly facing all kinds of problems with worldwide shipping. Now you gotta wait till September before getting one for yourself. Nevertheless, the key upgrades will surely get you excited and make it a worthwhile purchase. Let's start with the camera. DJI is finally upgrading the sensor to a 1-inch CMOS. This is a huge game changer in terms of capturing footage both in broad daylight and low light conditions. The larger sensor will allow the Mini 5 Pro to shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second, with crisp details and offer better low light performance. Not just that, it will ensure true vertical shooting, so you can upload videos to social media without sacrificing resolution. Also, the gimbal can now rotate up to 225 degrees, offering more flexibility for camera movements and get your desired shots with ease. As for still images, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to capture high-quality 48-megapixel images with a new mid-tele mode. The leaked box also confirms the existence of a LiDAR sensor on the front. It's a first for any drone of this size, and it can offer obstacle sensing with utmost precision. The LiDAR will be used mostly for nighttime obstacle sensing, and you can fly with confidence without the fear of crashing the drone into unwanted objects. There's also mention of the active track feature for running, cycling, and many more. This will be really helpful for solo travelers to capture the moments while on the move. Now, the battery life might not seem much of an upgrade. The Mini 5 Pro will offer you up to 36 minutes of flight time compared to the 34 minutes on the Mini 4 Pro. However, we should keep in mind that increasing the battery capacity means increasing weight as well, which might lead DJI to cross the 249 grams limit. Though the box does not confirm anything about the drone being under 249 grams, it only says ultralight and foldable. This still remains a mystery, whether DJI would ditch the sub-249 grams segment since they now have more drones like Neo or Flip. What are your thoughts about it? Would you buy the Mini 5 Pro if it's more than 249 grams, or rather move to the newly announced anti-gravity, which brings more features to the table, all being under 249 grams? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.